My path to APS started when I was working 3 jobs. I knew somebody who worked for the company. They told me what a great place APS was. I bid an admin coordinator role and I got it, and I did that for probably 5 years. During that time I worked in facilities and transportation and supply chain, and then I moved to the T&D side where I worked in system construction and then hot stick, where I really got the opportunity to become a support tech. When I took on that opportunity, I really got to learn more about the planning side of what it takes to, maintain lines, and that's when I really got the opportunity to be where I am today, which is a construction maintenance planner associate. All the roles I've had here at APS, I really feel like have given me the opportunity and the knowledge that I really needed to be successful in the role that I have today. I'm Ness, and I am a construction maintenance planner associate.